Okay, we have so much panettone here for Christmas, right?
Yeah.
We don't know what to do. It's coming out of our ears.
There's a lot
A lot
that
of
we just
panettone.
don't use.
It's like every single person comes to do la visita and brings a panettone. Some
Yeah.
are good, some are bad, whatever. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna make though some French toast. You guys wanted French toast? Let's call it Italian toast with the panettone, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's cook up some bacon. We're gonna make it nice and heavy, right, Ems?
Yep.
You like bacon?
I like my bacon, but I don't like soggy bacon or bacon that's not crispy.
It has to be really crispy.
Yeah, I'm picky when it comes to bacon.
You are picky. Okay.
Yum.
Is it crispy enough, Ems?
Yep, but still needs a little bit more time.
We're gonna just drain the bacon. Drain the bacon. Egg for our Italian toast. Are the French gonna get upset? A little salt. Okay, we're gonna cut the panettone and make our Italian toast. Not French toast, Italian toast.
Yeah, there's a difference.
There's
We're
a
using
difference.
panettone, not the other bread.
See, it looks like it's whole wheat.
What is it?
No, but we can see it's whole wheat, so we can convince ourselves it's super
Yeah,
healthy.
we could say it's whole wheat with raisins.
So just dipping the panettone in some egg, hot pan, and just keep going. What do you think, Ems?
I think it looks yummy,
I do too.
but I don't know why I'm saying it looks yummy for like a panettone dipped in raw egg.
Egg.
Nice crack, but you could have did it higher.
Broke.
It looks like bread, but it also looks like the color of a pancake. You see what I mean?
I do. What do you think?
I think it-
I messed up on that egg though, mannaggia.
How do you mess up on the egg when you were so low?
I don't know.
You didn't even do it that high.
The egg was.
But it was a basic egg
Ems,
breaking.
What do you want from me? You know, sometimes it happens. That will be yours.
It'll be yours because you broke it.
Okay. Little bit of icing sugar. The egg. Okay, so we have one broken one and one.
I don't get the broken one.
Whatever.
Georgia, you get the broken one.
Okay, Ems.
I don't want the broken one.
I don't care. I was on the film for this.
Okay.
So I gave commentary.
Bacon.
Bacon.
Mom's not home, right?
Nope.
Right, Mom's
She's
not
not
home?
home. She's not home.
Upstairs.
Okay, but she doesn't know we're doing this.
No.
Okay, she won't be happy.
Wouldn't it be so ironic if she just comes in here and sees us doing this? See it dripping down.
Oh yeah.
Should have caramelized the bacon.
Oh yeah.
It's funny. It looks good, but then we always have a critique for it.
I know. The Rocco family trade.
Like, it's so good.
It's so good, but you could have done this better.
You could have caramelized it, Dad. You could have made
Okay,
it on the
come on in,
microwave.
guys. Let's go. Ooh, look at that.
I think it needs more bacon.
Oh, yeah.
Can I get bacon on this? Got it. Well, Dad, I love it.
Yeah.
I like the sweetness of the panettone. I like the saltiness of the bacon. I like the kind of non-sweet
Maple
or salty of the egg. And I like the maple syrup on top. I like everything.
No! No! No!
Georgia?
Sucker.
Okay.
No.
Italian toast.
Emma's.
I know it's Italian, but this feels very Canadian or American.